up, y'all? It is your favorite brand strategist, Sylviana Moore, back on your favorite day of the week, Marketing Monday. And today I am super excited because we are diving in deep, y'all. We are talking game-changing implementation, all right? If this is something that you are not already doing or having in your content marketing strategy, you need to listen up. Turn the volume up. Put the headphones in, okay? We are talking storytelling. Now, you may be saying, you did all that for storytelling? Yes, I did. Because if you have been an entrepreneur for any time at all, you understand the importance of eliciting emotions out of your customers to create opportunities for the buy or for the purchase. Now, let's talk about it. Now, you may be saying, nah, let's talk about it. I promise there are large corporations that are doing this every day. So let's dive in and do just that. Now, storytelling is way more than promoting your products or services, okay? It is way more than that. Customers need to feel that they have been heard and that they are investing in some type of impact, right? So it's important that you're eliciting emotions from your customers to engage with your content. It also builds relationships between your customers and your brand, all right? And that's huge. That are three things that I pointed out that are huge. Eliciting emotions, encourages engagement, and builds a lasting relationship between your brand and the audience. Game changer. Now, what are some key elements of a good storytelling? Number one, it's going to be the characters. There are always some type of protagonist of the story. The customer, the employee, perhaps it's the brand itself, but you need a main character. Think of your favorite book, your favorite TV show, your favorite movie. There are some characters in there. People who change up the plot, all right? There are also going to be a conflict, a challenge, a problem that needs to be addressed. And then there's a resolution, a solution or outcome that often highlights how the brand creates value or provides value, right? All right. So then there's a message. The message is going to be the core message or more of the story that aligns with the brand's value or goals. Now, some of us are messing up because we're only providing the message. We're forgetting to provide the details of the character. We're forgetting to identify the conflict and let people know how, hey, we understand what you're facing, what your challenges are, what your problems are, and we have created a product or service, a resolution that has completely problem solved for just that, right? That will create a different outcome for you, all right? So it's important that you not use one of those elements, but all four of those elements: the character, the conflict, the resolution, and the message. Now, you may be saying, what's the difference between traditional advertising and storytelling, Sylviana? Traditional advertising primarily focus on promoting the product's features, benefits, and direct call to action. So it's ultimately aiming to just persuade the audience to make a purchase. That's it. That's all. Clean cut, all right? Now, storytelling, on the other hand, focuses on the audience emotions, values, and experiences. It aims to build connection by resonating with the audience's personal story and experiences, all right? So way deeper, way deeper approach, a longer lasting approach. And let me tell you why. If you're familiar with Dove, you may have seen the Real Beauty campaign that launched in 2004. The Real Beauty campaign aimed to challenge conventional beauty standards and promote body positivity. It featured real women of various ages, sizes, ethnicities. I mean, no one was left out, all right? Everybody was included. It was such a beautiful thing. Now, let's talk about the elements of this campaign. Its story. Let's break it down. As an example, now the characters, everyday women, not models. They had characters that looked like you and I. What's the conflict? Societal's pressures and unrealistic standards of beauty. That is our conflict here. Everyone feels that. That is what we're identifying as the problem. Now, what is the resolution? Celebrating natural beauty and self-acceptance. That's the message. And what is the true overall message? True beauty is diverse and authentic and is not defined by standards. Isn't that beautiful, y'all? I love that. Now let's talk impact. What did this campaign do and how do we know it was successful? What do we measure? Now, we know that it sparked global conversations about beauty standards. And we talked about traffic and reach. We know what that means. Global is a mass audience that's being reached. That's a huge success. That's a huge market that we've now tapped into. Number 2, it increased brand credibility, which is huge. If you have the trust of your audience, they are gonna come back because why? They trust you. Trust has to be earned, and once it is, that's a big thing. All right, that is not to be lightly noted. Number 3, it significantly boosted Dove's sales. And I love that. Now, if you have not already understood the importance of implementing storytelling within your market, understand this. Brands create more meaningful connections with their audiences, leading to increased loyalty. So let's just talk about that right there, because brand loyalty is very hard to find, especially in 2025. There is no such thing. People buy what they want based on price, on what it looks, how it makes them feel, how they're feeling that moment. People are not purchasing for or with a particular brand anymore. Which means everybody's free to do what they want. It's free game. So that is why we're seeing so many headlines, titles, advertisement. That's why you see so many people advertising cruelty-free, vegan, farm-raised, right? All these things are supposed to encourage us, elicit emotion to buy. So leading to increased loyalty in 2025 is a huge thing. It also increased engagement. If we have increased engagement, which means it gives us more opportunities to interact with our customers and build relationships with our customers, which ultimately creates long-term success. If storytelling is something that you're looking to use in your marketing strategy, reach out to me. I would love to help you guys build this and talk about how we can better your brand and your business. It's not just about posting content. If you're not resonating with your audience or creating quality content, then you are wasting time and doing yourself a disservice. Schedule your free discovery call with myself and my team so we can talk to you about better ways for you to get in front of your audience and convert that audience to leads, okay? I look forward to talking to you guys again on the next Marketing Monday, and I hope that you have a great day. Bye.